Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It is Wednesday morning here in Nice, France. We are more than halfway through our scouting trip. And Todd, how many apartments have we been into?
One.
So this morning we are walking over to the port area. Our agent called us and told us we absolutely have to see this apartment. It's one of the ones we've looked at online and kind of dismissed because of the location.
Port area.
But she said, nope, you guys have to come see it. So we are going to go have lunch in the port area today, check out the area a little bit more, and go see a new apartment.
Wow, what a beautiful apartment, huh? Did you see that it had a laundry room? Maybe
That's probably the only
that's
laundry
just the
room in Nice.
only laundry room in Nice, yes. It has a laundry room. It has two bedrooms and an office. It has two bathrooms. Each of the bathrooms has a large shower. There's a tub in one of the bathrooms.
And how many sinks?
There are four whole sinks, and Brandy just wanted two
Just
sinks,
wanted two.
right? So we've got multiple toilets, multiple sinks. It's just really beautiful.
Absolutely. It really, even in the video, I don't think it's going to come across because you had all that construction in there. But the place was absolutely gorgeous. So much light.
Yes.
The renovations the owner is doing is really top of the line. He actually had two units that he combined into one, which is why we have all that space, because I think the average home apartment size in Nice is probably about 65 or 70 square meters, and this
Right.
is double that.
Yep. This is almost 1,600 square feet, which is again by Nice standards and European standards, it's just massive.
Massive.
A really nice kitchen fully equipped, built-in closets. So that's going to mean that we will not have to buy as much furniture as we thought we were going to. We still have to furnish the entire place, but we didn't have to buy lighting fixtures.
We don't have to buy lighting fixtures.
Okay, but Brandy,
Yes.
what was the best thing about the whole apartment?
The ceiling fans.
Oh, you forgot something. What
So, in addition to the amazing upgrades and the beautiful work, it also comes with a neighborhood kitty.
Yes, there is a big, fat, round calico cat that lives just up the pedestrian street, right around the corner from where we are. So we have a local kitty friend.
So, I really want to just shout out to our agent
Yes.
because when she called us up the other day and said, "Listen, I know you guys said you don't really want to be in this area, but I want you as a favor to me to come out and look at it." And we were like, "Sure, okay.
Yes.
You know what? We're happy to learn a little bit more, and happy to have you show us around." And we are so glad she did, because she's lived here for about 5 years now. She obviously knows the area 100 times better than we do, as we've just landed a few days ago. And she was able to really show us the charm of this neighborhood, and it's really quite beautiful and quite fantastic.
Yes, and one of the things that I wanted to be a 10-minute or less walk to the beach. And I thought over in the port area, it was going to be quite a significant walk to the beach. Well, it turns out that there is at least one, possibly two really nice beaches that are right around the corner from this port area. And so she showed us where those were. And she also showed us a secret passageway that will get us to the old part of Nice, give us a much quicker walk over there. And so we're happy about that. So we did have to compromise on location a little bit. Remember that what we were looking for was we wanted to be in the center of Nice. We didn't quite get that, but what we got was the beach. We've got shopping. We've got grocery stores. We don't have as much as we would have in the center of Nice, but then again, we've got a really great big apartment.
She also made sure that we knew about the tram stop that was very nearby. There's this adorable little half-size bus
Teeny tiny bus.
that drives around the city, that the stop is just maybe a block away from where we are. In the summer, there's a ferry that drives you across the port, that takes you across the port. So even though we're at the far eastern side of the city, there are ways to get into the city a lot faster than we expected. And you know what? We like to walk, so a nice stroll
Yep.
won't hurt either.
Yep. So that's it. It looks like we actually have a place. We have the lease. We signed it. We're going to turn it in tomorrow. And we've already bought a bed and some linens.
So yeah, next comes the fun part of actually furnishing an entire apartment. And we just downsized from a huge house and sold everything. So now we got to turn around and buy a bunch of stuff again. But we'll go and pack up what we have in the States and start kitting out a new house. So thanks for following along with us. I hope this helped if you are considering moving to France. We couldn't encourage it enough at this point.
Yes. Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
A bientôt.